Many people have dreamed of this for a long time, and now it's finally possible. You can earn around $600 per day by using Google Translate. In this video, we will reveal a new method to make a lot of money online with just Google Translate. You don't need any skills or knowledge to do this, and it is totally free and available worldwide. So, whether you're from the US, UK, Canada, India, Philippines, Nigeria, or Pakistan, you have many options. Don't miss this chance to learn how to make more than $600 per day with Google Translate. Watch this video until the end.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
Latium.org is a modern platform that connects freelancers and employers interested in using digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This website serves as a hub where people can find work or hire others for various tasks, all while embracing the world of cryptocurrencies. Freelancers have the flexibility to explore different gigs and tasks posted by employers. They can apply for jobs that match their skills or bid on projects that require their expertise. The unique aspect here is that payments can be received in either cryptocurrency or traditional US dollar. This adaptability reflects the changing landscape of finance and work. Now, employers, on the other hand, can post a wide range of jobs and projects, catering to diverse skills and experience levels. The platform's real-time bidding feature ensures that they receive proposals from qualified freelancers, making it easier for them to find the right fit for their needs. One of the standout features of Latium.org is its AI algorithm that assigns reputation scores to both freelancers and employers. This system provides an impartial way to assess the quality and reliability of users, fostering a sense of trust within the community. Whether you're a freelancer seeking gigs or an employer in need of skills, Latium.org offers a path to financial opportunities. Freelancers can set up profiles showcasing their skills, experience, and portfolio. They can apply for tasks and create service listings to attract employers. Completing tasks successfully earns freelancers payments in cryptocurrency or US dollar, along with a positive rating from the employer. Now, to join Latium.org, simply visit the website and click Sign Up for free at the top right corner. Please fill in your email, username, first name and last name and password, and then click Sign Up. Confirm your email by entering the login code sent to you. And you're ready to explore the world of freelancing and hiring in the realm of digital currencies.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Upon completing the registration process, proceed to sign in to your newly created account. Once inside, a world of opportunities awaits as you embark on your journey through the platform's diverse project landscape. By simply clicking on the Explore Projects option, a list of projects and tasks unfurls before you, each beckoning with the promise of engagement and remuneration. It's worth noting that you don't require any specialized skills or prior experience to dive into this realm. This inclusivity stands as a cornerstone of the platform's ethos, welcoming individuals from all walks of life to partake. Among the enticing array of options, a particular focus can be placed on translation and language projects, a domain that bridges not only cultures but also opportunities for financial gain. With this translation niche lies a goldmine of potential, both accessible and lucrative. The art of translation is demystified as you find yourself presented with articles spanning various languages, ready to be transformed into English. What's even more enticing is a dual mode of compensation, the choice between cryptocurrency or conventional US dollars. And for those accustomed to traditional banking methods, The option of bank transfers, PayPal, or Payoneer for payment reception is at your fingertips. In this enlightening video guide, we unravel the process of leveraging Google Translate to streamline your translation endeavors and expedite your income generation. The steps are elegantly simple. Your journey begins by navigating to the renowned Google Translate, effortlessly accessed by typing translate.google.com into your address bar. Instantly, a realm of linguistic transformation opens before you. Armed with the text or document source from the platform's area of translation tasks, you seamlessly paste it into the design space within Google Translate. Imagine finding an article in Hindi with the promise of a $75 reward for rendering into English. This becomes your canvas for demonstration. The elegance of choice unfolds. You designate Hindi as a source language and English is a targeted outcome. With a click, the transformation occurs, and there you go. The translated version graces the right side of your screen. This translated treasure is now yours to wield. A simply copy and paste into a fresh document preserves your linguistic creation. Save this endeavor as the English counterpart of the original article. With your translation now a tangible entity, it's time to reap the rewards. Submit your masterpiece to the platform that used the translation project. These steps, through symbol, epitomize the journey of transformation and financial empowerment that Latium.org embodies. From registration to task completion, the platform provides not only a gateway to income, but also a celebration of accessibility and diversity. As you embark on this journey, fortified with the knowledge of Google Translate's prowess, remember that each translation is not just a linguistic shift, but a bridge between two cultures, a tangible testament to your effort, and a stepping stone towards financial growth. And that's it! You can repeat the process for any language and any article that you find online. This is how you can make more than $600 per day with Google Translate.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.